So this question is saying if 5 is a 0 of this function, so here they gave us a function, but notice there's b here, not a number. They're just telling us b is some number, right? It says if 5 is a 0 of the function, then what is the value of b? Well, what does it mean for it to be a 0?
An intercept?
To be an intercept, right? To be an x-intercept, which means I plug 0 in for y, right? And that's telling me that 5 is a 0, meaning 5 is one of the solutions to this equation.
So actually, remind me like how you...
5 is one of the...
Was it when the numerator equals 0?
Right. So
5 is one of the zeros. So what happens is that
defines lastly is like...
What this means is if 5 is a 0, then think of it like this. X equals 5. And how can I turn that into a factor? I'm going to subtract it. I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides. So there's one of my factors. If 5 is a 0 means that x minus 5 is a factor.
Plus 5x.
That makes sense? So that means that this right here has to be x minus 5. One of them is x minus 5. And so what does the other one have to be? If this is x minus 5, what does this have to be?
Yes, and then I'm just trying to figure out how to take this.
Exactly, x plus 4, right?
Oh, that's true.
And if that one's x plus 4,
You're right.
then what was b at the beginning?
I was just stuck there. I was like, I'm saying.
What should I do now? Foil it back out. Exactly. Let's foil it back out. X squared minus 5x plus 4x minus 20. What do these add up to? Negative 1x, right? So what's b?
1.
It's negative 1. There's your b. Got it? Makes sense. So that's asking a question. That's more like an SAT type question. Yeah. It's trying to get at a couple different concepts, and then you also have to do a little bit of math to figure it out.